What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about why did I stop making beats, and I'm going to talk about what I went through. I'm going to talk about the new flstudiomobile update. I'm going to talk about the upcoming content that I'm going to drop. Make sure you stay tuned and watch until the end of the video. So first of all, let me start with why did I stop creating content? Why did I stop creating? Why did I stop creating content? Okay, let me be honest. I was tired. I was tired of creating beats, and I didn't get the fan base. I didn't get so much people coming to my channel and just witnessing what I'm doing. So it was repetitive. It was starting to be boring, but I knew that I have the sound and my sound is good. So I was like, okay, maybe I should take a break. I'll come back. So I was busy with some other things. But now I started to realize that what I was doing was actually great, and then I need to come back and focus, fully focus. So to all of you guys who subscribe to my channel, now I'm on 481. Thank you so much. Thank you. I don't know how to thank you guys, but I want to drop free loops, the drum loops. I'm going to keep on dropping. Then yeah, and thank you for listening to and streaming my second album. I saw so many streams on YouTube, what the f, it was 1.136 what. Yeah, that's the big fan base that I have, especially in the United States of America. But I just need my people from South Africa to come and watch and pay attention and grow with me. So without further ado, I want to talk about the new FL Studio updates in the next clip. Make sure you learn something, and yeah. Well, I forgot to tell you why I stopped. Actually, I was doing some other things. I'm going to make a new channel. Basically, it will be based on, if any one of you can peep what I'm showing right now, maybe you can get a clue, but I will leave a link in the description so that if people wanna get to know about my other channel, can go and click on it. Then if people want to know about this channel, we can grow. And without wasting time, let me go to the video. I'm going to talk about the flstudiomobile new update 4.2.12. yeah, we're moving to 5, so I'm sure it's going to be bigger and better. I'm back, new music, new beats, new tutorials, and yeah, man. How do I look, man? How do I look? Okay, cool. Yeah, so the new FL Studio Mobile 4.2.12. To be honest, there's nothing much here, just a new multi-band compressor, but I think it's the same. I don't see any big update on this new update. I'm like, what's going on? Why is FL not growing big? Because so many people, they wanna know how to make beats these days. So what else can I show you? Because everything is still the same, but there is a new update. So if you don't have FL Studio Mobile, if you downloaded it, the APK, I don't think you can get the update, and I don't think it's possible for someone to send you, because I've seen a lot of people, they come to me, they want this, but You just have to buy, I guess, from Google Play if you have a smartphone, right? Yeah, it's easy.